Hello, good morning. Right, this is the AEG Ultra Hoover. Right, as you can see, gorgeous colour. When it came, this part, the body bit came out of the box. You got your pipe bit separate, which basically just clicks here. Just to remove it, you press that button. That will come off for easy cleaning. Right. Here is your, oops, that just clicks into there. Right, it's telescopic as well, so you can extend it as long or as short as you want. It comes with two different heads. So you've got this one here, and then you've got this one here. Now when this one's on, this little button here, you can press that for whatever the flooring is. So maybe you've got laminated, maybe you've got carpet. So you basically just step on that and it will change it here. So the bristles will actually pop out on this setting here. Right, it also comes with this handy little brush, which is actually a 3-in-1. So as you can see there, you've got your little brush. That bit, you've just got your little telescopic part. And that bit, so it's actually a 3-in-1. Basically, you just pop that, whichever one you want, onto the end of there. Right, the other thing as well, tells you here how much energy you're actually going to be using. It's a great looking Hoover, absolutely. Right, on the back here, this is your filter. So if you want to clean it, basically you just click that up and out pops the filter. It's very, very simple. Click it back in. Right, so that one is for your plug and your wire. This is your on and off. Right, to empty it, very, very simple. Press open and that basically will come off. It's absolutely that simple. Everything can be cleaned and taken apart. So what I'm going to do now is show you the length of this. It's actually 9 metres. Very, very handy. Right, so with the length of this, and we're still pulling it out, that will actually do from the bottom of the stairs right to the top of the stairs. I absolutely love the length of this. Right, for carrying, you have a handle there. I wouldn't say it's the lightest of Hoovers, but I wouldn't say it's one of the heaviest that I've actually had. The other way you can carry it is if you turn it that way, you can hold it with 2 handles positioned there. There you've got your roller ball for easy manoeuvring around your carpet or your laminated. Right, so what I'm going to do now is plug it in and show you how good this Hoover really, really is. Right, so what I've done, because I've got a cat, I've actually left a mat, as you can see there. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put this one on the end. Just like that. It's that simple. Right. What you'll see as soon as you start is it going round in this little tank here. It's absolutely fantastic. One of the best Hoovers I've ever had. Right, so let's turn this on. So there, your on and off button. Right, as you can hear as well, it's not too loud. So if you watch the tank as well, that's how powerful it is. It's not working. I'll have to do it again to you. As you can see, it's going round in the tank. I do apologise for that. Right, let's try it again. hold it down. It's getting every little bit up. There you go. Right, just from that mat, let's turn it off. You can actually see how much dirt is in this tank. Yeah, that basically is just from cat hair and general dirt that's coming off the mat from the doorway. Right, this is absolutely amazing. You won't be disappointed with this. Silent air technology also, it says on there, but as you can hear, it's not too loud. It's actually brilliant, actually. Right, and all I can say is go and get yourself one of these because it's absolutely amazing. You won't be disappointed. As I say, the best feature I think for me is how quiet it is and the length of the plug. With my old Hoover, I didn't like the fact that you get halfway up the stairs or 3/4 of a way up the stairs and then you've got to unplug it and then replug it, you know, back at the top of the stairs. I'll just show you this as well for storage. You can actually do it that way. If you bring that there, that just clips onto there. You can clip that there. Then your handy little brush that I showed you before just slots in there for storage. Right, the other way, if you want to do it the other way, there is a little groove there. On the back of that, that will just basically clip into there, and there you go, for easy storage. So that is the AEG Ultra Flex that I'm more than happy with. AO.com, thank you for giving me the opportunity to review this. It's absolutely brilliant and I can gladly recommend it to anybody.